But thanks for a beautiful weekend in Chicago. We were sitting pretty. Thank you, man. Meantime, snow falling in parts of the western U.S. today, while the Midwest still enjoying 70-degree weather. Oh, beautiful, this part of the country. Montana did see an inch of snow after a weekend of winter storm warnings. And across Arizona, an overnight winter storm there left many to rise and shine with a little snow on the ground. In Colorado, though, 2 hikers had to be rescued from Mount Elbert when they were unexpectedly caught in near whiteout conditions. That's the state's highest peak. It's near Leadville. Our NewsNation reporter Alex Rose spoke to one of the men who helped bring those hikers to safety.
Late Saturday night, Josh ADAMSON and his team got the call.
We're stuck on a pretty steep face and couldn't move.
2 young men from Virginia stuck on the side of Mount Elbert, unprepared for the snowstorm that stranded them.
They had inadequate footwear, so they had tennis shoes. They were wearing wool socks. One of them was in jeans.
The weather freezing.
Our tracks were blown in with snow by the time we walked back through them.
And whiteout conditions in the dead of night.
These gentlemen were lucky enough that they had cell service the entire time, and we were able to contact them regularly.
ADAMSON and 2 others with Lake County Search and Rescue hiked for miles up the trail.
And I just decided to yell as loud as I could into the night, and it was pitch black, it's blowing snow, and I didn't expect anything, and I heard someone in the distance yell back at me, and that really got us moving again.
The stranded pair didn't have a headlamp and didn't check the weather ahead of their hike.
They left at noon, which is a huge no-no for almost any mountaineering. Could have been disastrous for them. I will say their odds of survival without us showing up were pretty low.
It took hours to get the pair down the mountain with risk of hypothermia and frostbite. Crews risking their lives in the middle of the night.
Definitely a risky evening for us to even be out there.
Hoping this story is a reminder to be prepared out in the high country.
Sometimes we ask people to kind of consider, because we are putting ourselves at risk to come help you in your situation that you put yourself in.
Alex Rose, NewsNation, Denver.